Now let's make first star. I'm using this 1 mm strip which is cut by myself. This is 23 centimeters long and I'm going to use border buddy. So I'm going to use circle border buddy and I'm using 4th layer of this border buddy. And stick the first end with glue like this and start wrapping the strip over this 4th layer. Take care while wrapping as it is 1 mm strip, so it is very delicate. Apply glue at the end and now start removing your ring gently and just place it on the floor. Now press it. Now let's start sealing it using your glue. So I am using toothpick to apply glue on the up and the bottom side of the layer. The diameter is 3 cm of this circle. Make the pointed end at one side when the circle is dry. Now let's understand how to make pentagon using open-tight coil. The diameter of the circle is 3 cm. Now let's calculate the circumference of the circle, that is 2 pi r. So we get into 9.42. Now as pentagon has 5 sides, let's divide it into 5 and the answer is 1.8 cm. 1.8 cm is the length of one side of the pentagon. After the calculation, take the measurement of 1.8 on any strip and cut it just to make the 5 pentagon sides. So I have cut this green strip and I'm going to place it on the ring and bend it with 5 sides to make it a pentagon. So as you have seen the calculation, I have divided the circumference of the circle by 5 because it is going to be a pentagon. So I want 5 sides and my length is 1.8 cm of this pentagon. So I am just marking it using this green strip so that all the sides should be equal and it should look a proper pentagon. So I am just marking and bending it properly. So here my pentagon is getting almost ready, as you can see. Now divide the green strip further, that is 1.8 divided by 2 and mark it over each side to bend the side inside to get a star shape like this. So 1.8 divided by 2 is 0.9 and this is going to be my each side of the star and I am going to bend it inside like this to form a star. So our star is done over here. It looks like this. Isn't it beautiful? Now to make this moon shape, I have made this mold using a normal tin available at home. I have made this moon shape and the reason behind it is it will give me pointed edges. That is the reason I have used this tin as a mold for my quilling moon earring. So this is going to be something unique and I hope this really works well with you. It has worked well with me. I have sealed it with stapler. So now let's take this mold and make a beautiful moon. Now I have taken 3 strips each of 20 cm. Wrap the strip around the moon mold like this and start wrapping it like this. It is very delicate as it is 1 mm, so it is very delicate to handle. So start sticking your strip. Once the first strip is finished, I have attached the next strip at the end of first strip. So I'm just wrapping the strip around the mold like this. And now you will get a perfect moon shape. So let's stick few more strips like this. I have already attached all the strips over the moon. Now let's remove the moon like this. Remove it gently. So this is how it looks. Now let's seal the moon from top and the bottom part using your Fevicol or any glue. So I am applying glue using toothpick, and your sturdy moon is ready. Now as your star is ready, take your star earring over the moon earring to get the size or the length fixed, because we are going to cut it. So I have taken the measurement, random measurement, and I am going to cut it using precision knife. So I have selected a midpoint and I am going to cut it. Take care while cutting it, this is very delicate. So remove the piece and this is how it looks. Place your star and check the length properly. Yes, it is looking perfect. Now apply glue at the points like this and let it dry for 2 to 3 hours properly to set the shape exactly, and place the moon over some flat base and then stick your star in between this moon. So this is how your star earring looks. I hope you like the tutorial. It is little mathematical way to make this star earring. So do let me know. Do like and do let me know your views on this tutorial. I hope it was very much fun quilling and maths together. So thank you so much. Do subscribe my channel if you like my tutorials. Thank you. Bye. Take care.